In today's video, we are going to cover how to print a trust account statement in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Reports. This opens the area where Clio Manage stores report options for different parts of your practice, including financial and trust-related reporting. From the Reports section, find the Trust Transaction Report and click Preview. This opens the report so you can work with the current data before exporting anything. If the report takes a moment to load, wait for the full results to appear before making changes. With the report open, you can adjust how the information is displayed by using filters, groups, or columns. Filters let you narrow the report to the transactions you need to include. Groups change how those transactions are organized on screen, and columns control which pieces of information appear in the report. Use whichever of these options you need so the statement matches what you want to print. If you are preparing the report for a specific review or record, make sure the visible transactions reflect that purpose before moving on. After making those adjustments, review the report carefully. Scroll through the results and confirm that it shows the trust transactions you want to print. This is the point where you check that the report content is correct before creating the final file. If anything looks off, return to the filters, groups, or column settings and update them until the report displays the right set of transactions. Once the report looks correct, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the Export dropdown. This menu gives you the available file types for saving the report outside of the preview window. Choose the format you prefer, such as PDF, if you want a version that is ready to open and print in a standard layout. After you select the format, Clio Manage will generate the file. When the export finishes, open the file you just downloaded. Review it one more time in the exported format so you can confirm the trust account statement appears the way you expect it to print. Then use the print option in your browser or PDF viewer to send the statement to your printer. If your print window includes page settings, check them briefly before printing so the report fits the page the way you want. Your trust account statement is now exported from Clio Manage and printed.